Today is March 8th. I am out in the garden by the cabin, and this is what it looks like where I have not grown anything for almost 2 years. You can't tell where the walkway is and where the beds are. The weeds are so huge, so I'm gonna start with this particular bed here to clean, and I think I'm gonna clean that one next to it as well to plant my onions, and we'll see how much more I can do. So here's a fallen tree that is blocking my driveway. I'm gonna have to deal with this either today or next time I'm here. See how much I can cut out of this. I am done planting for now. This bed has leeks, some miscellaneous onion bulbs, and shallots. I did plant a couple of potatoes in this end. And this bed has burgundy and Walla Walla onion plants that I raised at home. So that's all I could do today to clean and plant. I'll be back next time and plant some more.